In the next 60 seconds, I will explain to you how easy it is to use the Asian session range with the NASDAQ or NQ futures. And it all comes down to using the Asian session range, right? So it's a two-phase manipulation I often refer to it as, right? So here we have our Asian range over here. This is the ICT accumulation. This is where market orders are produced, right? They're accumulated through the ICT accumulation. This is the Asian session range, right? So for those who don't know, the Asian session range is essentially 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. UK time. So that is minus 5 hours for New York time. Now, the thing I want traders to understand is once we have an Asian range over here, price will take out the Asian range high and then the Asian range low. And what this means from a manipulation perspective is that over here we see an enticement of early buyers, right? The market is essentially trapping impatient and early buyers in the London session because you shouldn't be trading NQ in the London session, right? Now, as price heads down, those impatient buyers are trapped out. And this is where we look for our ICT Judah swing. The ICT Judah swing will always occur for a bullish day below the daily opening. So this is the daily opening over here, this red line. Price will come and initiate lower before ultimately heading higher. And our job is to catch a buy trade below the daily opening. So how do we do that? So essentially what I'm looking for is we're looking for a fair value gap or an inefficiency, right? So the inefficiency was here in this region. So as you can see, price has nailed and tapped into this inefficiency from London. If we head down to the 5-minute time frame or even the 1-minute time frame, we can understand how interesting it is, right? So we can see a very large accumulation of price. So price actually engineers trendline liquidity before mitigating the fair value gap. So what actually makes this a high probability fair value gap is the fact that yes, we've taken out sell side liquidity. So we've taken out sell side liquidity, but we're also below the daily opening, right? So we head back to the 15-minute time frame. We see the two-phase manipulation model playing out. So we see accumulation with the Asian session range. We see manipulation phase 1, manipulation phase 2, and then the expansion to the upside.